we're going straight on at the mini roundabout.
Right.
Second exit, what are you going to do? Speed.
Slow down.
Yeah, good. What gear on approach? Good. A little bit slower. Bit slower. When are you bringing the clutch up?
No.
Yeah, good. In and out. Give it a good steering as you come round, because you'll always have these curbs that stick out a little bit. Yeah. Good. So then you could bring your clutch up a little bit earlier, so you're not free rolling into the roundabout.
Yeah.
So a little bit slower on approach, get your gear sorted, get the clutch coming back up if you're going to continue on to the roundabout. You'll be in more control. So like here now, where are we checking first?
Mirrors.
Good. Going same again, straight on second exit. So press your brake about now.
Yeah.
Bit more. Now clutch. Now second. Bit more brake. Okay, can you carry on? Yeah, I think so. So let's bring the clutch up. In and out. Good. Still clutch a little bit earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah. Trust those vehicles a little bit more than you're doing. So like now you can see that guy, can't you, going right, because he's got that indicator on, he's got his road position. Let's see what happens. Let's get that speed right. But ease off your gas a little bit though, just to keep that steady. Good. Okay, straight on again, second exit. Good. What mirror checks? Good. What gear? Keep moving a little bit. Is it safe to go?
Yeah.
Lovely. Excellent. So that's just like last week, isn't it, with the coastal road roundabouts? No signal needed when you're coming off, because what? It's alright. But you don't need a signal coming off the mini roundabout like that, because you're
going straight on.
Yeah, and you haven't got the time to be flicking that indicator on. What gear now? Good. So again, on the next roundabouts, we're going to follow the road ahead again. So when are we signalling for this one? What exit is it? First exit, isn't it? Yeah. So when are we going to signal?
Now.
Yeah, good. Lovely. What gear on approach? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Good. Let's keep going. Good. Give a bit of speed. Excellent. What mirror's coming off the roundabout? Good. So, which exit for this one?
Second.
Good. Can you beat that red one? Nice, good. When are you signalling for this? What mirrors? Good. What comes first, mirrors or signal?
Mirrors.
Yeah, good. Do you feel confident then with that?
Yeah.
The reddy colour car, faded red on it. What were you thinking? What if the blue one comes round?
Yeah.
Could you understand where the blue one was going?
Yeah.
Why?
Because he was pointing the direction he was going.
Yeah. His road position was good. He could come all the way round. He could come round without a signal. But yeah, you could understand then his road position. He's the blocker.
Yeah.
You can then beat that red one. Good. What gear? Hold back a little bit. Don't get too close. Good. Okay. What mirror checks? Good. Is it safe behind you?
Yeah.
Where else? Good.
Yeah.
Why are we checking the left-hand side here?
Because there's a you can go left there.
Yeah, someone could. What if someone got confused and tried to go in front of you?
Yeah.
Down the left-hand side.
Okay.
Who could nip down the left-hand side?
Motorcyclists.
Yeah, who else?
Cyclists.
Yeah, yeah. Where's that clutch? Good. What gear? You're getting forgetful today, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay, your roundabouts are nearly over.
Huh.
You've got the best one last though, haven't you? You know where you're coming to. So, this roundabout, straight on first exit. Where are we checking? Good. What signal? Good. Tell me what you can see. Little bit off. Good. Excellent. Good. Smashing. So heading towards Ormskirk, which way is it?
Third exit.
Good. Which way though?
Right.
Good. What mouse? What signal? Good. What gear? Take your time. Little bit of a hill.
Yeah.
You tell me when you're gonna go. Start finding your bite early. I'll help you there a little bit. Just rolling a little bit.
Yeah.
Get that bite so you don't roll. Start nudging. Have a look. Set the gas. Find the bite. That's it. Nearly. Can you go now? Good. Plenty of gas.
Is he beeping me?
Not you, no. Something happened there. We'll find out on dash cam later. A little bit more to the right. Good. What gear? Good. Excellent. What mirror checks?
Yeah.
What signal? Good. And where are you going to drift back to? Love it. Good. Lovely.
Yeah.
Not bad. You'll say that. You'll go like you hear a beep and go, "Whoa, was that you beeping at me?" Probably not. No.
What was it beeping at? Do you know?
I think I'll double check that later, but I think the car. Something happened with the car coming around. And the one coming on. Something happened there. I think maybe pulled out and slowed him down a little bit. Yeah. Excellent. What speed does it hit?
40.
Yeah, good. The beep definitely didn't come from behind anyway, it came from kind of that direction, yeah. That roundabout gets you a little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What are you finding hard about?
When to go?
Because it's busier?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, just got to get that timing right on the approach. Be prepared on the approach as well.
Yeah.
Rather than leaving like your gear last second. Get that first gear a little bit earlier if you are slowing down like below 5 miles an hour. But soon you'll be seeing that gap just like you did on the roundabout earlier with the red car. You saw the blue one coming.
Yeah.
That same process. There's your blocker.
Yeah.
Can you now beat the traffic beyond the blocker?
Yeah.
The ones coming out of Tesco, can you beat them? That's what you got to decide.
Yeah.